Welcome. In front of me I have Hammer HMW Plus watch, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this device by using the system settings on. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once the screen wakes up, press the side button again to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen. Find the settings icon, and once you find the settings icon, tap on it to enter the settings. Now scroll through the settings menu and find the option called system settings, and once you find it, tap on it. And here we have the reset option. Tap on it, then tap on the check mark to confirm, and wait until the resetting process is complete. And once you see this page, it means that the factory reset is complete. And thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.